Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're covering patient-reported outcome measures. So let's have a look. We've got data going back to March 2010 up to March 2021, and new data going in as it comes out. So far 2.5 million rows of data, so it's pretty detailed. You can see the list of tables here, some of which are discontinued. So I've just queried a few of the still getting data tables. Equality data, so just have a look at that. You can see for yourself the sort of data we get. You notice a lot of times we tend to put columns like this into a column called measure, but they've already got a measure column, and we figured because these ones are pretty static, we'll just leave this as they are. So that's that sort of data there. Another one I've queried just for the demo, key data, so you get the idea, similar sort of stuff. You see with these columns though, you've got these measures. To understand them, you would need to go to the patient report outcome measures data dictionary, where they've got all the values here, so you know, particular questions and then the answers that a patient will put, so you can make sense of the data. We've loaded all that into the system, so you've got the attributes, codes and descriptions. That's like 1200 rows there. And here I've just queried a distinct list of the attributes, so you can just see quickly the sort of attributes I've got. There's still 300 pages, so I won't, well, I'll just query. You can always pause the video to have a quick look at each of these. So that's basically the summary of the demo. So thanks.